Today is Friday, September 17th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible power antenna. This is the 2-wire variant, both green and blue. And this is for my friend Joe Fry in Virginia. And I'm doing a functional validation test after having fully restored this unit. This is a level 10 restoration where the unit has been completely disassembled, the motor rewound, all 5 gears of the movement have been serviced. And I'm going to do a functional validation test where the unit is connected to power. Okay, this has the fully climatized surface treatment. Absolutely beautiful. All of the electricals have been cleaned and replaced where needed. And we'll go ahead and apply power. And the unit rises with the clutch becoming activated, and this is the full 36-inch extension of the power antenna. And now we'll go ahead and do a retraction. And the unit clutch enables and the unit fully retracts. So this is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille power antenna. This is a fully restored level 10 show quality antenna for my friend Joe in Virginia. And the unit will be shipping out as soon as I get Joe's okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the power seat mechanisms, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as this power antenna. Okay, these power antennas were used from 1959 through 1969 in a 2-wire configuration. Then there's a 73 to 76 variant whereby there's a 4-wire configuration with the limiting feature, and then back to the 2-wire configuration for 77 and 78. So this is George in Florida. Today is September 17th. Thank you very kindly.